hold up. Okay, well, anyway, we're in my clubhouse. Yeah. Here, you can get a better look from out here. Move on. Here, hold up. Here. We'll walk down that. Yeah. Now we're gonna walk up the steps. Matthew. Hi, Matthew. Yeah. But yeah, we're going. Today's Saturday. Waiting on a text message from John. They can't hang out tonight, which kind of sucks, but oh well. Anyway, bye-bye. Muffin. Muffin, come here. Come here. Say bye. Say bye.